Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshan Abhijit Muli. Today's date is 13th of October 2021 and today's our discussion topic is discussion about the linked list. So before starting our today's discussion topic, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatreya Mulik. I am from Kalam district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from J.H. Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Waguli, Pune, and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Sweridge College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Pandharpur. That's all about me. So now we will discuss about today's our discussion topic, that is the discussion about the linked list. So firstly we will see what is linked list and what are the advantages of the linked list over array list, and some of the disadvantages of the linked list over an array list. So firstly we will see about the linked list. So linked list is the collection of different data types elements, means heterogeneous objects is also stored in a linked list for a collection of that all the different objects. The linked list is used. So before starting our today's topic, firstly I will give a real life example of that linked list. If you talk about the real life example, the brain is the mainly it is the real life example, or it is the best example for the linked list. Means in a linked list, the data the element which is stored in a list is gradually increases, means we can dynamically increases the size of that list. Like that way in a brain, suppose there if we want to mug up that, firstly if I want to mug up 10 sentences, I will mug up that all sentences, and suddenly I realizes that there are more 30 sentences are remaining to mug up. Then I will also mug up that 30 sentences. Means our brain is a best example for the comparison of the linked list with our brain. Like that the linked list is working. Means if we want to store multiple elements again and again, then that time the linked list is the best suitable for to add that elements. And we can use a non-primitive data type elements to stored in a linked list, and its size is not fixed. Means linked list is working with reference of that address of that next element. We know that the Java is not supported the pointer concept, but in actually the Java is supported the pointer concept, but it is internally supports it, but externally it not supports, like that. So that's all about that linked list. So if you talk about the link advantage of the linked list, so if you compare linked list with the array list, the linked list is used or it is most suitable to add or remove the element from the middle of that middle of that linked list. But in case of that array list, if we want to remove or add the element from the array list, then after adding or removing, there will be must traversing of that array list is must. But in case of that linked list, it is best suitable to add or remove the element from the middle of that linked list. So now we will talk about some of the methods which will be implemented only in case of that linked list. The methods are totally 6 methods are there. First one is the add first, add last. Then that 2 methods are there in the linked list, and then again 2 methods are there, remove first, remove last. That's all about that. Again the 2 method, and the last 2 methods are there, that get first and get last. That 6 methods are only used in the linked list. That methods is not used in the other list. It is used only in the linked list. So that's all about that linked list. So if you talk about our disadvantage of that linked list, suppose in case of the traversing case, means from the last element of that linked list, suppose there are crores of the elements present in the linked list, but we want to traverse element from crores to 1. At that time the much more time is required to traverse that all the elements from last to the first. That is the main disadvantage of the linked list. That's all about that linked list. Suppose if you talk about the example of that linked list, it points the address of the next object of that data which is to be added in the linked list. Means it is actually refers to the address of that next element, means it is somewhat similar like that pointer concept, but it will be work internally. That's the main concept of that linked list. So that's all about that linked list. That's all about the today's topic. Thank you.